So, you want to learn Danish fast? You've come to the right place, because whether you want to impress that crush or you just want to be able to read IKEA instructions quickly, I'm going to show you how to do it. In just a few minutes, I'm going to take you from hvad siger du til hvorfor er jeg så god til dansk? Faster than you can say grød med fløde. Alright, maybe not that fast. Tip number 1. First things first. Speak Danish. Seems obvious, right? You want to speak it? You gotta actually speak it. So I don't care if it's your dog, if it's your reflection in the mirror, if it's that piece of IKEA furniture that you just spent 6 hours trying to put together. Talk to inanimate objects. Because the more you speak it, the quicker it sticks. Sure, your dog might not understand "jeg elsker dig," but they're a good listener. Plus, practicing Danish on people that don't understand the language is a win-win, because they don't know if you're making mistakes or not. So show off to people who have no idea what you're talking about and give you a bit of a confidence boost. Tip number 2, Danish media. It's the obvious choice. I'm tired of saying it. Come on, people. Danish podcasts, Danish movies, Danish series. How can it be that you're learning Danish and you're not watching this stuff? Crank up some Danish rap music. Trust me, you're just not going to learn Danish quickly if you're binge watching English series on Netflix. And I know what you're thinking, but Danish is so hard, it sounds like a drunk Swedish person speaking German. I know, but that's the magic of it. And trust me, do these things and quickly you'll start speaking and understanding. Oh, and let me tell you, Danish crime series, Chef's Kiss. Tip number 3, practice and master Danish pronunciation early on. Now that might sound a bit like, well, duh, of course I want to do that, but how am I supposed to do it? That's the big question, my friends. But the thing is, Danish is full of these creative sounds and a lot of examples where you can say it this way or you can say it that way, but you're probably going to want to say it that way, the way that everybody else is saying it. So don't say it the other way, say it that way. Right, you might not know what I'm talking about, but here's a simple example. The word meget means very, and some people say meget, and some people say mal, but most people say mal, so why would you say meget? But don't worry, I've got a couple of other videos here on YouTube, put some cards somewhere, that can help you out with Danish pronunciation, and I'm going to put together something very, very special soon, so keep your eyes on the prize. I'm coming with something very soon that will help you out. You know, Danish is kind of just like a choose your own path when it comes to pronunciation. Is it mal or is it meget? Is it jeg or is it ja? Is it known or is it known? Not even Danes know, so don't worry about it too much. But when you do get it right, you're gonna feel like you just got that golden medal in Danish language. And tip number 4, engage with native speakers. Get out there. Yeah, they might all want to switch to English. That's kind of their superpower in Denmark. But you can just say to them, jeg vil gerne tale dansk, and trust me, they'll quickly get on board. Think of this as a language workout, right? If you're only practicing in your head, it's kind of like skipping leg day. Chat with a Dane. They'll appreciate the effort and you'll get a lot of experience out of it. Even if you do get it wrong, I don't know, we say stupid wrong things all the time. It could be like, yeah, you say, hvad laver du i mine bukser? Instead of, hvad laver du med mine bukser? It can always go wrong. That's the fun of it. So there you have it. Speak every day, consume Danish media, work on your pronunciation, and get out there and chat with the Danes. Before you know it, you'll be correcting other people on their Danish. Bonus tip, I've said it before, I'll say it again now. Put your phone in Danish, get your laptop in Danish, use Facebook in Danish. Any program you download should be in Danish. These are all very simple hacks to get this language into your everyday life and speed up your learning. If all else fails, just sprinkle a few tags and a few nice here and there and you'll get by just fine. Now go out there and impress people with your Danish skills, or just confuse a few people. That's also fun. If you like this video and you want more like this, remember to like, leave a comment, subscribe, tag. Oh yeah, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video. Hi hi.